A solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rotating about its diameter. A solid cylinder of the same mass and same radius is also rotating about its geometrical axis with an angular speed twice that of the sphere. What will be the ratio of their kinetic energies of rotation? We need to calculate the ratio of the rotational kinetic energies of a solid sphere and a solid cylinder. And we are given that both have the same mass m and radius r, and the angular speed of the cylinder is twice as that of the sphere, which means omega cylinder equals 2 times omega sphere. Kinetic energy of the sphere is given by the formula E sphere equal to half I sphere into omega sphere square. Substituting I sphere equals 2 by 5 mr square, we get E sphere equals 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 mr square into omega square of the sphere. That is equal to 1 by 5 mr square into omega square. Now let us find the kinetic energy of the cylinder. Kinetic energy of the cylinder is given by half into I of cylinder into omega square of cylinder. Substituting I cylinder equals half mr square, we get energy of cylinder equals 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 mr square into omega square of cylinder. And it is given in the question omega cylinder is equal to twice as that of omega sphere. Substituting above, we get energy of cylinder equals half into half mr square into 2 omega sphere the whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 mr square into 4 omega square. That is nothing but 1 by 2 mr square into omega square of the sphere. Finding the ratio of rotational kinetic energies, we get energy of sphere by energy of cylinder equals 1 by 5 mr square into omega square of sphere by 1 by 2 mr square into omega square of sphere, which is equal to 1 by 5 by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 10, which is nothing but 1 by 5. Therefore, the ratio of the rotational kinetic energies is 1:5, that is option D.